What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on the Brow Contour Pro pencil. I will be showing you how I use this product, how I've been using it, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. So if you want to know the tea on this product, please keep watching. So this is the pen. You've probably already seen this in my last video or my haul. You probably, oh wow, it's like upside down. This is the pen. You've probably already seen this in my haul or just like on the Benefit website or Instagram, wherever. But this is the new Brow Contour Pro. It has, as you can see, different like shades. It's basically a big giant pen, and you just kind of click one down and then one comes out through here. And what you do is you twist it so that a little product comes out here at the top. And I'm sorry if it looks a little blurry. Up here at the top, you cannot twist it back, so just so you know, when you twist, that's the amount of product that you want to use. You don't want to twist too much and then you're kind of screwed with all the product coming out. That's basically how the product works, so I hope you guys understood all that. The way that I have been doing my brows with this, I've been using the darker, actually no, the lighter shade first. And it's called, yeah, it's just called lighter shade. So I'm just pulling it down, and then I have my little piece here. I already have some products out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start outlining. So basically what I've been doing is just kind of like outlining with the lighter shade first, my top part of the brow, and then also the bottom part of the brow, and then also the very top. One thing about this product that I've noticed right off the bat is that it's super creamy. This is not like, whoops, sorry about that. This is not like a pen. Okay. I'm just gonna keep getting notifications here. Here we go. Much stiffer. So when you use it, you gotta be careful and don't press too hard, because you are gonna smear the product like as if it's a cream, because that's how it feels. Like the consistency of it is more cream-like. And then I start to kind of fill it in a little bit and just kind of fill in my brow with this lighter shade, because don't worry, I will make sure everything looks a lot better with the darker shade. This kind of a pen, it doesn't come with a spoolie, unfortunately. So what I've been doing is just kind of using a spoolie from a different pen, or if you have a loose spoolie somewhere, just kind of like use that to blend the product. That's the only downfall that I have with this pen, because it has so many of these things, and I feel like they should have added a spoolie, in my opinion, or something. They should have had like a spoolie on deck with this in the little box or whatever, because if you don't have one, you have to go find one. And that's the only way that you're going to make sure that the product looks nice and even, because like I said, it is a very creamy product and it smears, and you don't want your brows to look cakey. So now that I have that shape down, I'm going to darken it. I'm going to go ahead and use the darker shade right here. And I already have some product out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start darkening it, starting from the bottom shade, the bottom line of my brow, towards the tail, as well as kind of darkening it at the top. But I'm not gonna do too much of this at the beginning of my brow, because I like how lighter it looks and then it goes into a darker. I like that look, so I'm just going to stay away from that section, but I definitely want this up here to look a little darker. So I don't know if you can see how it smears and how it looks a little bit like too much product, which is why you would need a spoolie to kind of like blend the product out so it doesn't look cakey on the brows. Okay, so now that I'm done with basically how I do my brow, I feel like I have an empty spot somewhere here. There we go. Okay, So now that I'm done with my brow, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, and that's where the other two shades come in. Now, this is something that I'm not like too exactly hyped about with this product, because there's two highlighting shades, as you can see right here. We have it's just called highlighter. As you can see that it's definitely a lot lighter than this one right here. This one is called definer. So, in my opinion, they both look the same. This is the definer. Okay, that's the color of the definer. This is the highlighter right next to it. You can definitely tell a difference. Like one is lighter than the other, but it's so slight that it honestly just makes no sense to even have both. I honestly believe that one of these could have been a really tiny spoolie. Like it could have been as small as like this one right here. Like one of these could have been as small as this spoolie and just have it come out at the end, or something even thinner, who knows. But I really believe that it could have been like a nice spoolie at the end for one of those two. That's just my opinion. You know, you don't have to feel that way, but I really feel like if I could just do with one of the lighter shades, it's just not important. I'm actually using the definer shade because it's not as bright as the lighter one, even though it doesn't make a difference. Honestly, it doesn't matter, but I'm just gonna clean up my brow with this. And here we go. I like that I get to clean it up in like a tiny pen form. That I really, really like, versus having to put on a lot of concealer and blend it down, especially if you already have your eye makeup on. And then once you have that down, go with like a really small brush to kind of blend it out a little bit. Just need to get like a really small brush. Any brush will do, honestly, and just kind of blend it so that you don't have any harsh lines. That is basically how I get my brows. Let me go ahead and do the other one off camera, and I will be right back so we can kind of like recap and just talk about some pointers. Just talk about the actual pen, okay? Alright, so I put on the other brow, lashes, and a quick lip, and this is the final look. A few thoughts about this pen. It is super innovative. I really, really love the idea of having different shades to suit your brow needs. I really like that idea. I like the product, it being creamy, because it's just nice and soft to use. In my opinion, if you are used to cream products, having it in a pen form is pretty cool. A normal pencil like these, or the Precisely My Brow pencil, the product is a little bit stiffer than this. It's my preference. I really like how it looks, how it glides on. That's just what I like. What I don't like about this product is the fact that it doesn't come with a spoolie. So if you don't have a gentle hand and you press down a little too hard on your brows, you end up smearing the product, and now you have like a lot of product on your brow, and it bunches up because it's too much. So you kind of have to have a spoolie on hand, or a loose one, or if you have like another pencil you use, you gotta have that on hand so that you're able to blend out the creaminess of the product. That is just like the downfall of it being creamy. You kind of definitely need to have a spoolie on hand so that you can make sure you blend out the product so it doesn't look cakey. Another con to this is the fact that it has two different highlighting colors. As you can tell on my hands, I have two different colors and they just both look the same. In my opinion, I mean, you can tell one is a little lighter than the other, but it's not like so much of a difference that like you need it. Like you could do with either one. This hole right here where the pen comes out, it's actually pretty big. If they had added a tiny spoolie to that, then that would have made this product so much better. However, it is already very, very good. I really like how my brows come out. Like they look so nice, and I really love the fact that I can just clean them up right then and there with the highlighting shade. Other than that, just make sure that you have a spoolie on hand and your brows will always look so nice. Make sure that you don't twist too much of the pen, because then too much product will come out and that's all you have to work with until it gets back down to like to less product, you know. But if you put too much, you can't like twist it back in. I will probably get it again, definitely, because I really like the shade color a lot. Like, it looks really nice. I feel like it matches my hair perfectly. Sometimes I go a little too dark, or other times definitely with the Precisely My Brow pencil I go way too light. This is my exact shade and it just looks so nice. That is it for this video. I definitely give this Brow Contour Pro pencil a big thumbs up. It is approved. Just keep in mind, you gotta keep an extra tool on you so that, you know, your brow is perfect. That is all. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these kind of review videos. And that is it for this video. So I'll see you guys on the next one.